This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to download Parallels. So Parallels Desktop, the popular Mac app for running Windows applications. There's quite a large, crazy URL right here on the screen for where this downloads page is. I'm on this downloads page. Now, I'll include a shortened version of that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and wind up here and you don't need to go searching or anything like that. So we can see the different versions here. This is version 26. There's a couple of other older versions there. If you have compatibility issues, you can try it free for 14 days. You can sign up here. There's a buy now and a try free, or we can just click on the automatic installer, which is what I advise you to do. So we can click on the DMG here, and that will automatically download. You can see the icon just went flying up in the right hand side, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. Now, depending on your browser, on my Mac I have Google Chrome, so this goes to the main downloads folder. Now, depending on your browser and your configuration, your downloads location might be different, but hopefully you found this video on how to download Parallels Desktop on your Mac useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like